What is up, y'all? Alright, so this is one of my first videos. I'm going to be doing a, as you see in the thumbnail, taillight install. My brake light cover fell off. As Harleys seem to lose stuff. So we're going to walk you through it and see what you guys think. 2006 Harley V-Rod. And we're going to be installing this taillight, which is made by Harley. It is LED. One thing to note, right here, this blue connector right there, that was not plugged in, so I guess you have a few different places. This third or this fourth plug. So depending on if you have the Dyna or the V-Rod, you have to put it in one of those. So here's my old one. The light is fine, just the cover that goes on it, the clear cover or the red cover, it's like a clear, is gone. It went on here. Alright, to remove this taillight, I've already removed it as you see, but it's up in there. There's a clip. You can see this clip right here. So what the manual says, there's a little tiny hole right here. You push up and push the clip forward and pull the screwdriver up towards the sky, and that way you're pushing forward, pushing that clip, and you pull up and it should pop up, and then you slide it back, because you can break these little things here. Or I couldn't get it to pop out, so I stuck a towel there and stuck the screwdriver in there and just popped it out, because I'm not going to be using it anyway. So I have to get this on here, which they suggest to use some dish soap. So basically what it's going to do is you got to get these numbers. These numbers got to, right here, got to be out, facing away from the taillight. Have to get this little nub to slide up into that lock there. So that little nub is going to slide right into there. And these little pointy things, prongs or whatever you want to call them, they got to go through here, these little holes. And then you have to push these down into here. And you got to do all that together somehow. So we're going to try and do it on camera, and hopefully it comes out okay. They said to use some dish soap, so I'm going to try some dish soap with it. So lube is your friend. So you got it. So the big nub goes in first, and then what you got to do is twist these up and push them in like that. Make sure you get both sides in. It's not the easiest thing to do. No, I'll work on it. I'll come back and show you. Alright, I was able to get it. These little holes here are kind of a pain. So you gotta just twist the tabs up, push it down. On this side I use a screwdriver, just push the rubber down. Now on this side here we gotta get these tabs. Nope, that one didn't go in. Just like that. Oop, out of focus. That's nice. So there you go. So that's how it should go together. Alright, so now we just need to put it on the bike. Dielectric grease is our friend. It keeps the connections waterproof, and also will keep it from rusting. So what you do is you take a dielectric grease, you want to just kind of fill these holes up. And you can use a lot. Squirt it all in there. Just like that. Just fill it up. Plug it in. Clean up any excess. I like to wipe stuff on my pants. That's a good place for it to go. Alright. So now you gotta, this ledge needs to go up on the fender of the bike. And this should lock down, snap right into this fender. Alright. So let's make sure you get this wire tucked in. Let's push it up on. Alright, I think it's all the way on. How's that look? This is always fun. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. Look at that. Brake light test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. That's right. Alright, for my next video, I got it on order. Should be here shortly. And it is a speed shifter for a Harley. I didn't know they made them. But on this, I do have a Power Commander 3 USB, and so for an extra $139 I can add speed shifter. So look out for that video coming.